In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MongoDB to N8n. For those who might not be familiar, N8n is a powerful workflow automation tool that allows you to connect various applications and automate tasks seamlessly. By integrating MongoDB, you can unlock a whole new level of data manipulation and automation potential. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the N8n website. Once there, move towards the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you haven't signed up yet, you can follow the sign-up process, which is quite straightforward. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the N8n dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing workflows. Here, you'll start by creating a new workflow. This is where the fun begins, as you generate your own customized automation sequences. Look for the Create Workflow button. This option is easily identifiable and generally highlighted to catch your attention. Clicking it will bring you to an empty canvas labeled Workflow Editor. This space allows you to add, configure, and connect nodes, each representing different actions or applications. To connect MongoDB, you'll need to add a new node. This involves finding the Add Nodes option in the editor, typically represented by a plus icon. Upon selection, a panel will appear displaying a list of applications and services integrated with N8n. Use the search function at the top to type MongoDB into the field. This is a crucial step. Doing so quickly narrows down the vast list to just what you need. Once the MongoDB option appears, go ahead and click on it. This will insert the MongoDB node into your workflow canvas. You'll now have to configure this node with your specific MongoDB instance details. Usually, this involves inputting the necessary credentials, such as your MongoDB connection string, which contains details like the database username, password, and server address. These settings are unique to your database's configuration, so make sure you have these details handy. And there you have it. Your MongoDB node is now part of your N8n workflow. This setup allows you to perform various database operations, such as querying data or inserting records, all within your automated sequences. The precise capabilities of the node depend on how you choose to configure subsequent actions and connect additional nodes. Remember, ensuring the accuracy of your database credentials is vital for a successful connection. As always with automation tools, spend a bit of time experimenting and testing different setups. Over time, you'll find new possibilities and optimizations that can make your workflows even more powerful. Thank you for tuning in today. And now you're ready to bring your databases right into your N8n automation workflows. Happy automating!